Welcome back to Quiet Town Tales, where we step into the hushed, hidden corners of America, places where the past refuses to let go, and the earth itself holds a secret that still smolders beneath the surface. Tonight, we visit a town where the ground never quite cooled, a place that once had streets full of life, now walks a quiet line between memory and mystery. This is Centralia, Pennsylvania, population around 5 to 10. Nestled in the rolling hills of Columbia County, in the heart of Pennsylvania's coal country, Centralia sits along a quiet stretch of Route 61. The town covers a small patch of land with a few homes, a cemetery, and the faint outline of streets that once carried families, children, and dreams. Centralia began in the mid-1800s, built on the rich anthracite coal seams that ran deep beneath the ground. Miners came, shafts were dug, and the town grew with the rhythm of the coal industry. Homes lined the streets, a church stood tall, a school echoed with voices, and the air carried the steady hum of work and community. But in 1962, a quiet disaster began. A fire started in an abandoned strip mine pit, used as a local dump. Trash was burned, flames reached an exposed coal seam, and the fire slipped underground. It found the coal, and it never stopped burning. Slowly, the fire spread through the tunnels, heating the ground, releasing smoke through cracks, and filling the air with the faint smell of sulfur. Over the years, the ground grew warm, then hot. Roads buckled, sinkholes opened, carbon monoxide seeped into basements, and residents began to leave. In the 1980s, the federal government stepped in, buying out most homes, relocating families, and declaring Centralia a disaster zone. By the 1990s, the town was nearly gone, streets demolished, houses torn down, leaving behind empty lots, cracked pavement, and the steady, silent burn below. Today, Centralia is one of America's most famous ghost towns, though a few residents remain, living quietly on the edges. Smoke still rises from fissures in the ground. Route 61 has been rerouted around the worst areas, and warning signs stand as quiet reminders of the fire that never sleeps. The cemetery, with its old headstones, is one of the few places left untouched, overlooking a landscape that has changed forever. Centralia is a town where the earth itself tells the story, a slow, relentless reminder of how something small, a careless fire, can alter everything. Yet there is a strange peace here, in the stillness of the abandoned roads, the soft hiss of steam from the cracks, the way the wind moves through the empty spaces. It is not a place of fear, but of quiet reflection, a testament to how nature and human choices can intertwine, leaving behind a legacy that burns on, even when the people have moved away. If you're ever driving through Pennsylvania's coal country, look for the signs that warn of Centralia. Pause at the edge, feel the warmth beneath the pavement, listen to the silence, and remember the town where the ground is still burning. Thank you for joining this peaceful reflection. If these whispered tales of America's hidden corners bring you calm, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll explore another overlooked place soon. Rest well, and good night from Quiet Town Tales.